NVDA dropped this week, but my position actually improved, and that's because I'm not relying on the share price alone to make money. With NVIDIA trading at about $168 a share, I could accept assignment on my $175 put and pay for 100 shares with the cash I have available without using my margin. If I did that, I would go out 1 or 2 weeks and sell a $175 call. If I went out 6 days, I could bring in about $104, and if I went out 2 weeks, I could bring in about $240. If I roll the position out, it's going to cost me a little more than $700 to close the current contract. And if I keep the same strike price, I could make about $820 rolling out 6 days, or $935 if I roll out 2 weeks. Rolling out 14 days, I could even reduce my strike price if I wanted to. But considering that this is the lowest share price I've seen for NVIDIA in quite a while, I'd like to use this opportunity to generate enough income to add a share to the account at this lower share price. Quick note, I just started a new $1 million portfolio series where I apply these same ideas at the portfolio level. So if you want to see how this works beyond a single ticker, you can check that out as well. So rather than trying to reduce my strike price, I'm just going to roll straight out 14 days for maximum income and use the premium that I generate to buy another share to hold long. I'm opening up the roll order. Looking out 14 days, I can expect a net credit of between $195 and $210. I'm going to ask for $202, and it filled at $205. And now I'm going to use that income to pay for another share with a little bit left over. So this contract that was expiring today is now closed. I opened a new cash secured put expiring in 14 days and generated $200.34, a $200.34 return on $17,500 on a 14-day contract gives me an annualized rate of return of 29.85%, and I used a portion of that income to add a share to the account. I now have a total expense of $20,323.83, and I have 168 shares. So a little division shows me that I have reduced my average investment per share down to 120.97. This pullback means that my net liquidating value is less than it was last week. If I wanted to take it back to cash today, I could receive about $27,364. So my profit right now is just over $7,000 in this position, which is less than it was the last time I checked on February 27th when the share price was at $181.39. My profit was almost $9,000. But what I like about this strategy is a portion of my profit is locked in with the options premium. So I'm not entirely dependent on the fluctuation in the share price to determine my profit and loss. So in the last couple of weeks, even though my net liquidating value has declined because of the decrease in the share price, my adjusted cost per share has also declined from $124.66 to $120.97. So the income from the options is protecting me from some of this downside. The goal isn't to rely on the share price. It's to build a position where time, income, and price all work together.